Hey everybody, back, got another top hat, and of course I do these videos so you can see the color better and the movement of the shapes, because sometimes when you see it in someone's hands, you see it move around, you get to actually get a better feel for what the bead looks like. But because of the angle of my lighting and because of the nature of this pearl, I think photographs do it better justice. But here we go, another top hat, and this one is about 3/4 of an inch long. I'm sorry, no. Let me get my calipers. This one is, I'll put the dimensions in the bottom, but this is almost 7/8 of an inch long, just about 7/8 of an inch long, and I'm sure it is 3/4 wide at its widest point, maybe a little bit wider at the brim from front to back. But another one, these are very difficult to make. I broke about 3 of them between the last one and this one, but I'm getting the hang of it, making some new tools. So if you like, please share this with somebody, as well as stop by fiddlebone.com and follow us on Instagram, as well as like and subscribe, like this video down below, and subscribe and follow the channel so you're up to date with everything that comes out new with Fiddlebone. I also added some more sale items to the site, and you know, we're updating things on a daily basis. So go by fiddlebone.com and have a great day.